Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the power of the myEcon compensation plan. I wish I could say that in a Darth Vader voice, the power of the... Anyway, it's just not going to be as cool as when James Earl Jones says it. But you get the point. We're going to dive into it, and I want to show you, I want to map it all out for you so you can truly see what the compensation potential is with the myEcon compensation plan, and you can actually like physically see it for yourself on the screen to realize what's possible. So no fluff, no BS. We're just going to dive right into it and just show you the numbers so you can see it and understand it maybe a little better than you already do right now, and you can have a better understanding of how much money you can actually make with myEcon. Let's dive in. So before I get to the real magic here and show you what the potential is, what I want to do is I just want to give you a very quick overview of the numbers you can make. Number one, when someone walks in the door, how much money you can make. And number two, what the monthly residuals are going to be as you get going and as you start building your myEcon team. So first off, what you see on your screen is what you get when somebody walks in the door. Now, I'm not going to go through every single column here and break this whole thing down. It's very self-explanatory. So there's really two membership levels that you have. You have the $40 per month membership level, which is your FSM, and then you have the $60 per month level, which is your EBM, okay? And you can see them broken down there in the columns, and obviously if you need to pause this video to kind of soak it all in a little bit, that's cool. Your generation one is the people that you personally sponsor. Generation two is who they sponsor. Gen 3, 4, 5 on down. You understand where that goes, right? People who sponsor someone, and so on. So that's what it looks like right there. And obviously, as you sponsor more people, you can rank up. You hit gold, you hit platinum, you hit infinity. I have other videos that explain this whole process. Link in the description down below if you want to see the full myEcon compensation plan overview where I break this down in full. Go ahead and watch that. Watch this whole video first, but then you can go check that one out, okay? So this is what you get when people walk in the door. So you can get obviously your first generation commission, which is basically like a fast start bonus, right? Or you can get an override bonus, means if it's, second, third, or fourth, fifth generation down through infinity, you can get a little something when people come in the door. Okay, that is what you get the day that they join. Now, what you also have is your monthly residuals, basically when they renew, what you're going to get there as well. And you can see the different columns, what you get for gold, platinum, infinity, and so on. So plain and simple, guys, you can start earning not only commissions the day that they join, but every single month as you build and grow your myEcon business. Now, let's dive into what the actual potential is. And this is where a lot of people kind of think it's surface level. And what we're going to do in this video is we're going to dive below the surface. I want you to understand the real power of this compensation plan so you can get it and understand it for yourself. And I want to kind of remove those thoughts of like, oh, it's small potatoes, it's peanuts, it's not a lot of money. It is a lot of money, my friend. You can make 5, 6 figures per month with this compensation plan. So let's break down how you can do that and what that actually looks like. So what I want to do for you right here is I want to show you basically like a timeline so you can understand more visually what this is going to look like for you and your business. Now, I can tell you that right out of the gate, your very first 30 days, your first month inside of myEcon is where you are only getting personal sales. So those monthly overrides, you don't get to experience that until you stay in myEcon at least 30 days or more. And I'm just going to be honest with you, most people quit their home-based business within the first 30 days. And that's where, honestly, you're probably making one of the biggest mistakes inside of network marketing or inside a home-based business, because you don't get to experience the residuals where people think it's a get-rich-quick scheme or it's get-rich overnight. And that's not what it's all about. It is all about the long-term residuals. Period. End of story. That's why I do what I do. That's why my team does what it does, because we are all about the long-term residuals to literally wake up making commissions like before we even roll out of bed. And that is the dream in network marketing. And that's what we show you how to do. And that's what I'm talking about here in this video. Okay. So as you start bringing people in, so what we're going to do is we're going to call this section right here, we're going to call this your first 30 days. Okay. So what's going to happen here is you're going to be bringing people in. You might get 1 sale, you might get 2 sales, you might get 3 sales. Let's just say hypothetically, you can get 5 sales in your first 30 days. So if you remember back to the very first slide that I showed you, you could be getting a $35 commission, you could be getting a $15 commission, you could be getting a $70 commission. But let's say hypothetically, let's just pick a round number, and let's say with those 5 sales, okay, let's just say that you made $100, okay? So that's your first 30 days, okay? So now what's going to happen is, now let's look at your next 30 days. So I'm going to do a 60 right here. So this is going to be your next 30 days right here, okay? So let's say, again, hypothetically, you go out and you make 5 sales. You make 5 sales in your next 30 days. So now you have a total of 10 people on your team, right? So, and again, you make another $100 in that. But the difference is now, this is where your efforts are going to start to compound over time. This is where the compensation plan really starts to kick in. So I want you to just know this in your head, please. The myEcon compensation plan does not really kick in until after your first 30 days. And that's why it's so important to be in it to win it for the long haul, and not just be here and expect to just get rich quick overnight. This is something you can build and something you can gradually grow over time. And like many of us here on our team, this can over time replace your full-time income. Okay. And I can promise you that. And I can give you the proof and documentation to back up what I'm saying. Okay. Like, this is real. Okay. So here's what's cool is, in your next 30 days, AKA your 60 days, once you hit day 30 and you head into your next 30 days right here, not only can you continue to make new sales, okay, which you're going to earn from that. And again, this is $100 is just an example. Okay. But then all of these people, these 5 people right here in your first 30 days, now they're going to renew. So not only are you going to get the 5 new sales that you made, but you're also going to have the 5 people that came, literally these 5 people up here. And of course, there's going to be a lot of arrows and moving parts here on your screen. Just bear with me as best as you can here. Okay. So now you're going to have 5 new sales over here, plus 5 people renewing. Okay. So again, that's going to be your, okay, 10, you're going to get paid on 10 memberships your second month. Okay. So now you're getting paid on 10 sales. Now, guess what happens? We carry that down, and let's say you keep rinsing and repeating this exact process. So now you take it to your 3rd month in the business, your first 90 days. Okay. And again, you repeat the process. You go and you get, okay, 5 new sales in the course of that 3rd set of 30 days right there. Okay. So there's 5 sales. So now you're going to be getting paid. You ready for this? You're going to be getting paid on 15 memberships. You're going to get paid on this 5 right here. You're going to get paid on these 5, and then the new 5 sales that you just got. And every month this starts to compound, and you can start making more and more and more and more income with the myEcon compensation plan, as long as you stick with it. And this is where the true power of the compensation plan starts to add up. Now, the best for last, I didn't even talk about. I'm only talking about your personal production. Here's what's really cool. When any of these people that you're bringing in, whether it be this 5, like this 5 here, or this 5 here, or these 5 here, any of the people that you're bringing in start to personally produce as well. So you're not just a one-man show or a one-woman show. As you start to duplicate on your team, this 15 could easily be 20 or 30 or 40 or 100. You might bring a rock star onto your team. You might bring someone in that has a big social following, and they bring in 500 people. Well, guess what? Instead of getting paid on 15 people 90 days out, Now you're maybe getting paid on 50, or you're getting paid on 100, or you're getting paid on 1,000. That right there is the true power of the myEcon compensation plan, is building it up over time, because you never know who's going to come on your team and bring in literally dozens and dozens of people. I'll give you a perfect example. I had someone join my team last week. Okay, true story. I had someone join my team last week, and in her first 7 days, she brought on over 100 people. So think about this. Not only am I getting paid from the people that I personally bring in, she came in and then brought in 100 people. I earned a commission from every single one of those 100 people, every single one. And then as they started to duplicate, which they're duplicating now, I'm earning from every single one of those people as well. So that 100 is going to quickly turn into 200 and then 300. And guess what? With the myEcon compensation plan, I get paid off of every single one of those people, because this is a transactional compensation plan, my friend, which means every time a sale happens, you can earn from it no matter what. And that is the true beauty of the myEcon compensation plan. So I hope you understand the true value of it now. It's not just about what you do. It's about what those people do and what those people do and what those people do. And if you're building this correctly, you can make an incredible amount of money. End of story. So if this all makes sense and you get it and you understand this and you maybe got some value from this now, you maybe got a little more insight into the myEcon compensation plan, do me a favor and comment below right now, compensation plan. Let me know that you get it. You're in it to win it and you understand what I just explained to you. Obviously, if you have any questions, I left my phone number at the top of this video. You can send me a text message at any point. If you have not gotten started with myEcon yet, link in the description down below. You can select one of the 3 levels to get started, $20, $40, or $100. Get yourself on the inside, my friend. Trust me, it's much better to be here on the inside than it is standing there on the outside looking in. Also, if you want to see my full overview, how I break everything down that you get with me and my team, and how we're going to give you over $10,000 in free value just for getting started with your myEcon business. We're literally going to give you everything you need, your sales funnels, your email marketing, your viral content, everything you need to start promoting your myEcon business today. That link is also in the description down below. Thank you for watching, my friend. Truly appreciate you. If you made it to this point in the video and you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And I truly appreciate that. It really does help the channel out. And I will see you, my friend, on the next video. Take care.